Welcome, welcome! My name is ChantalTV and we are at the Trocadero in 360 degrees. And there is the Eiffel Tower, and if you're seeing a 360 for the first time, you can either see it with virtual reality headset, or you can swipe around in your phone or the Google Chrome browser on your computer. So make sure to do that. If you have any other questions, just put them down below. Anyway, Eiffel Tower, sunshine and crows. Let's go check it out. I'm just walking away from the music because otherwise we may be gonna have a problem on YouTube. There's a panda there. Don't know what the reason is for the panda, but let's go see the panda. So there we have the Eiffel Tower. That's pretty weird. But that is a panda and that's the Eiffel Tower. So swipe around. We are in 360. Oh my god. That's a big panda. But look, also the statues in Paris have no underwear on. Have you seen that? This is one of my friends called Willy. Little Willy. As you can see, lots to see at the Eiffel Tower. I'm not gonna totally walk down because I want to keep this broadcast short so I can upload it easily. I filmed it with the qoocam. So there is 360 degrees VR. I hope you enjoy it and you're gonna watch more often. So make sure to subscribe and watch another one.